DuoSpan is a unique construction frame designed and engineered by Millboard, combining the strength of aluminium with the design flexibility of recycled plastic. It provides the perfect subframe for millboard decking, as well as a universal support system for other outdoor flooring or framing. Its ingenious design facilitates top-down fixing of decking boards. The DuoSpan 99mm joist is used in areas where heights are increased and larger spans are beneficial. This would normally be areas at ground level with posts into the ground. The 99mm joist is 99mm high, the width of it is 68mm and is supplied in a 3.6 metre lengths. In conjunction with the 99mm joist, we have the 136mm beam. This is 136mm high, is 63mm wide, and again it's supplied in 3.6 metre lengths. Generally, the joist is used with the channel part of the joist facing upwards. This channel part is to hold the DuoSpan joist insert. This joist insert is 25mm high and is 50mm wide and is supplied in 3 metre lengths. The reason that we use the DuoSpan joist insert into the top of the DuoSpan joist is so that our Durafix fixings can be used to fix millboard. The Durafix 45mm screw is used when fixing millboard to the DuoSpan joist insert. As you can see, the DuoSpan joist insert is specially profiled to fit into the channel in the top of the DuoSpan joist. This channel is designed with these two parts at the top which click over the top of the joist insert to hold it in place. Along with the joist there are 3 aluminium brackets, a set 90-degree angle bracket, a straight connector bracket and a flexible bracket for variable angles. These brackets sit into the side of the joist to allow you to get the joist flush. These brackets are supplied in boxes of 10 and they come with the correct amount of fixings, including 2 extra fixings for wastage. All of the brackets come with the special hex head self-drilling screws for fixing into the aluminium. As the flexible brackets can be used also in conjunction with the Plasbro, they are also supplied with pan head fixings which are used into the Plasbro. The other clip that is supplied with the 99mm joist is the hold down clip. This hold down clip is used to hold the 99mm joist onto the top of the DuoSpan beam. This hold down clip is supplied in boxes of 30 and again comes with the correct amount of fixings. The self-drilling hex head fixings that we supply are A4 stainless steel for use into the aluminium. They have a special cathodic barrier coating which provides a barrier between the stainless steel fixing and the aluminium to limit the chance of galvanic corrosion. They are 25mm long and have a 8mm hex head on them. The pan head fixings are A2 stainless steel and again they have the cathodic barrier coating. They are for use into Plasbro. These are also available in boxes of 100 if needed. They are 25mm long and have a PZ2 head. The other fixings that we supply are the Plasbro to DuoSpan fixing. These are a 5x50mm fixing and it's for use when you fix the Plasbro fascia support to the side of the aluminium. Again, they have the special cathodic barrier coating. These have a T25mm head on them. The other items that are available to complement the DuoSpan items are the Plasbro fascia support and the Plasbro post. The fascia support is 25mm wide by 100mm high. It's a plastic profile supplied in 3 metre lengths. This is used for curved edges of decks and is fixed to the DuoSpan joist at the end of the joist with the flexible brackets, and fixed to the brackets with the pan head fixings. It can also be used on the side of a deck where a fascia board is needed to be fixed to the side. So you fix this to the side with the Plasspro to DuoSpan fixings and then fix the fascia board to the Plasspro. The Plasspro posts are 100 by 100 and again supplied in 3 metre lengths, and they are for use when lifting the beams off the ground for an elevated deck. The benefits of the system are that firstly the DuoSpan joists and beam are made from aluminium, so are always straight, added to the fact that they don't get affected by temperature like timber or plastic will. The system is structurally stable. It has been designed with the help of structural engineers to Eurocodes 1 actions on structures, and with the 99mm joist we can span a 1.8 metre span in residential applications. The grooves in the side of the joist along with the bracket design help you to get the screws in the correct place. It's important that the screws go into the area where the grooves are, because the aluminium at this point is extra thick, so that the structural stability and the area where the fixing is going into is thicker. Another added benefit is that we have the joist insert. This joist insert means that when it's in the joist, you can use our Durafix fixings into the framework, fixing at almost any angle. Here, here, here. Also, the use of the plastic Plasspro fascia support means that creating curves in your deck is made even easier. In relation to the install, the joist can be supported by the Duolift joist supports if used over a solid, stable base. With the DuoSpan 99mm joist, this needs to be supported at 1.8 metre centres for residential application. The maximum span for commercial application is 1.35. However, as the profiles are 3.6 metres long, it's more efficient to set the Duolift joist supports at 1.2 metre centres. The joists are inserted into the channel on the top of the joist cradle. The joist cradle is then wound round to get to the correct height, and then the key locking tab is turned round and clipped over the bottom of the joist. Any joins between two profiles must be supported by a Duolift cradle as shown. However, due to the spanning capability of the DuoSpan 99mm joist, this can be supported by the beam. The beam again can span 1.8 in residential applications and 1.2 for commercial applications. However, we do recommend that you have a look at the loading tables on a website, should your application be slightly different. The beams are supported by posts into the ground. Recommend that you notch the post out, beam is set into the notch, and then the flexible bracket is bent round and used on the side as shown here. The joist is then sat on top of the beam. The hold down clip is put onto the lip on the bottom of the joist and screwed into the grooves on the top of the beam. It's important that the beam is put with the 3 grooves at the top to take the fixings.